I am not a poet. I am just a person who expresses his feelings in words. Love is a fire that burns in the heart, and it can either warm you up or burn you to ashes. Life is a journey, and we are all just travelers on a path to nowhere. Death is the only certainty in life, and we should all live each day to the fullest. The world is a beautiful place, but it can also be a cruel and unforgiving place. People are complex creatures, and we can never truly understand one another. The only thing that we can truly control is our own thoughts and actions. We should all strive to be the best versions of ourselves, and to leave the world a better place than we found it. We should never give upon our dreams, no matter how difficult they may seem. We should never take anything for granted, because we never know when it might be taken away from us. We should always be grateful for what we have, and never take it for granted. We should always be kind to one another, because we never know what someone else is going through. We should always forgive, because holding on to anger and resentment will only hurt us in the long run. We should always be true to ourselves no matter what others may think. Never give up on your dreams. The future is a mystery, but it's full of possibilities. The past is a lesson, not a burden. Never forget where you came from, because it's a part of who you are. Family is the most important thing in the world, so never take them for granted. Friendship is a precious gift, so cherish the people who are in your life. Love is the most powerful force in the universe, so never be afraid to show it. Life is too short to be unhappy, so make the most of every day. The world is yours for the taking, so go out and make it your own. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't do something, because you can. The only way to find out who you are is to step outside of your comfort zone. People are complex creatures, and it's impossible to understand them all. Pain is a part of life, but it doesn't have to define you.